If you've ever done affiliate marketing, you may already be familiar with CPA marketing. But what is it, and how can it help you take your brand to new heights? Welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cash Cow Samantha, and I want to give a big moo-moo to you for being a part of our Cool Cash Cow community and making money with us online today. In this video, we will break down CPA marketing, a new affiliate marketing. But before we do, make sure to slap that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our Cool Cash Cow secrets. Now, let's get into the CPA marketing. So, what exactly is CPA marketing? CPA, also known as cost per action or cost per acquisition, is an advertising or affiliate marketing model in which you pay your CPA partners a set commission after a sale is made or a desired action is completed. CPA marketing can work well if you have the right affiliates and the right audience. CPA marketing can do more than just get clicks and impressions. It can also generate leads and push conversions, which helps businesses grow. Affiliates can make more money through advertising if they use CPA marketing. Most affiliate marketers partner with different companies in order to diversify their content and CPA offers, which allows them to provide options for their followers or site visitors and various solutions to their distinct pain points. There are three main types of CPA marketing. Pay per sale. Pay per sale is exactly what it sounds like. You, the marketer, get paid when someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys something from your partner website. Pay for what you do. Affiliates get paid for each new customer they bring in. Pay per action means that a visitor must do a certain number of things, like watch a video, fill out a form, or sign up for a free trial. Payments made over and over. If you can get new people to sign up for your partner website on a regular basis, you could get regular commissions from the monthly fees. So now, let's talk about the CPA networks. CPA networks bring advertisers and publishers together. They are experts at running cost per action campaigns, and they are the ones who decide if you have a real business and can send them qualified leads. CPA marketing is often used because the idea that you can make money online without selling anything is so appealing. Joining CPA networks can be hard because they have strict rules and requirements, but it's not impossible either. The most important thing is to be honest and take steps that can help you get accepted. CPA networks aren't just for affiliate marketers with a lot of experience, they are also great for beginners. Even though joining one can be hard, there are many good things about it, such as payouts are pretty high. Affiliate marketers can start with little or no money up front, so it's easy to get in. CPA has a lot to offer. Listings that you can sort by your specialization or niche. Offers and terms from CPA networks can change in the middle of your campaign. This means that you might waste time and money before you get the return on investment you want, ROI. These networks also take a cut of the money made from their services. If you want to increase your chances of getting a higher ROI, you might want to look into in-house programs that are made for your specific niche and traffic sources. Here are 3 tips on how to join a CPA network as an affiliate marketer. Set up a website. Now is the best time to make a website if you don't already have one. Make a website that shows what your brand is and what you can do as an affiliate marketer. You can use WordPress, which is an easy-to-use CMS platform that is open source. You can also pay someone else to make your website and design it. Use your domain name in your email. You might also want to make an email address that includes your domain name, like yourname@yourdomain.com. Some CPA networks might reject your application right away if you use a free email address. This is because free email addresses are easy to make and don't prove that you own the website. Start with the CPA networks in your area. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to start by applying to local or smaller CPA networks. Once you've done enough CPA marketing, you can apply for the bigger and more well-known ones. Bigger CPA networks also tend to get a lot of applications, which can make it harder for you to join. As soon as a CPA network accepts you, you can start looking for offers that fit your niche. After you choose the offers, you can start promoting them on your website. CPA niches. Focusing on a niche is one of the best ways to get free traffic and establish yourself as an expert in your field, whether you're starting a blog or selling things on Amazon. Not every niche has the chance of making money. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need to find a profitable niche where you can do well. Here are some of the best niches for CPA marketing that you might want to think about. Mobile apps, health, finance, relationship, jobs or work. Since some of these are broad categories, you can choose smaller sub-niches to make your content more specific. If you choose the health niche, for example, you can focus on sub-niches like weight loss, fitness, or skincare. Finding your niche. How do you find the best niche for your brand when there are so many to choose from? You should choose a niche based on your area of expertise, but you should also think about fields of interest that have a large audience and won't go out of style. Research is important. When looking for niches, you must do research. You can use a lot of tools like Quantcast and Google AdWords, which is good news. These can help you to make charts and graphs that can give you more information about the market. Use AdWords from Google. Google AdWords Keyword Planner lets you filter niche keywords and check out how well they work and how profitable they could be by looking at their cost per click. Find CPA offers. You can look at third-party sites like OfferVault to find relevant offers in your niche. You can sort the results on these platforms by traffic sources and payment models. Because there are so many offers on these sites, it's best to pick projects that are known to be good if you don't want people to leave your site. Join a CPA network. CPA networks like Amazon Associates give you access to a lot of different offers, and some of them even give you a lot of money in commissions. In order to get many CPA offers, you have to join their parent network. Affiliate marketers can get a lot out of joining one, but it's not always easy to get in. Affiliate marketing versus CPA marketing. Affiliate marketing includes CPA marketing. In affiliate marketing, you get paid every time you get a lead or when someone completes an action, even if the visitor doesn't buy anything from your affiliate network. In affiliate marketing, you only get paid a commission when a visitor buys something. How does CPA marketing work? We've already talked about how cost per action, CPA, works. As the marketer, you can choose to promote either cost per sale, CPS offers, or cost per lead, CPL offers. The process itself is not hard to understand. You join a CPA affiliate network where advertisers or vendors will give you CPA offers. Then, you'll choose either CPS or CPL as the type of offer you want to promote. Then, you'll make a landing page that you send traffic to. When a visitor clicks on the affiliate link on your landing page, they will be taken to the original CPA offer page. Affiliate marketers get paid when a visitor takes a certain set of actions, like buying a product, signing up for a free trial, or filling out a form. What CPA marketing can do for you. In this video about CPA marketing, we talked about how brands can benefit from it, including putting brands in touch with customers and making sales, Making the brand more visible. Being a marketing strategy with low risk. Besides these, CPA marketing has other advantages for businesses, such as simple setup. Technically, all you need for CPA marketing is a website and a CPA network. Once you've set up your website, you can join a CPA network and start looking for offers in your niche. No upfront payment. With CPA marketing, you don't have to pay affiliate marketers upfront or for site visits that don't lead to conversions. ROI could be higher. It's easier to get started and cheaper in the long run. You can focus on CPA marketing instead of digital ad campaigns for impressions or clicks, which don't always lead to conversions. Affiliate marketing can increase average customer sales by 58%. It can also increase the average number of orders per customer by 31% and the average order value by 21%. Expanding your reach. CPA marketing could help you reach a bigger audience. By working with people with a lot of influence, you could get your products in front of more people. Many people with a lot of influence have already built up a huge following on social media. This lets you spread your products to more places, which can help your business grow faster. How is CPA calculated? You can figure out how much it costs to get a new conversion with your CPA. It's basically the value off of one sale based on your paid ads, and it can be used for other sales and marketing efforts like sales calls and Google Ads PPC. There is a simple formula for figuring out your campaign's CPA. First, choose the time frame and marketing campaign for which you want to figure out the CPA. Then, use the formula from Google Ads to find the average CPA, total amount spent on advertising, or the total cost of conversions for a certain time period or campaign. The total number of changes or the acquisition generated for that particular period and campaign. Keep in mind that this formula only applies to one way of marketing. If you use more than one channel for your campaigns, you need to think about things like software that helps you improves and studies your ads, external marketing efforts, equipment or utilities used in your multi-channel campaigns. When you add these up, they can make a big difference in your overall GPA. Methods of CPA promotion. There are many ways to get the word out about your CPA campaigns. Here are some of the most common ways to promote your CPA. Sales or landing page. The sales page or landing page is the first thing people see when they come to your site. It gives them a chance to find out more about the product or service being sold. Keep your landing page fun, simple, and full of useful information to keep people interested and to keep your bounce rate low. You can put information about your products next to eye-catching graphics, or you can make your landing page more interactive by adding quizzes or games. A website for reviews. You could also use your website to review products from your affiliate partner and show them off on your website. The reviews of the products will have links to your affiliate partner's website where visitors can do something or buy something. Optimizing your CPA costs. How can you get the most out of your cost per acquisition while making content and ads that lead to more conversions? You want your CPA ads to do well and show up high in search results. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your CPA costs. Keep your audience curious. When promoting a CPA offer, it's not enough just to make ads that are interesting or a landing page that is interesting. You should also count on your audience being interested. Make ads that make people want to click on your link or learn more about the product you're trying to sell. Try making content or graphics that are both interesting and draw attention to the product's benefits. Make an interesting landing page. A landing page doesn't have to be hard to understand all the time. It can be simple and still be strong. Also, it needs to be clear and convincing while helping your audience learn more about what you're selling. Don't just think about clicks or views. Even though clicks and impressions are good, they don't always mean conversions. Focus on getting conversions if you want to lower your CPA. Remember that your goal is to get people to do what you want them to do. Here are some 2022 CPA marketing best practices. Think about hiring an affiliate manager. Brands can get the most out of their CPA campaigns by working with an affiliate manager. Some of their jobs are reviewing offers and giving advice on which one should come first. Content curation can help marketing work better. Putting you in touch with the best affiliates. Putting together contracts with your partners. Keeping track of your ROI. Following up on your campaigns. After you've promoted your chosen CPA offers, you need to keep track of your campaigns and how they're doing, as well as any problems that come up. Some of the most important things you need to keep an eye on to figure out how well your campaigns are doing are traffic source, PPC ads, keywords or landing pages that make people want to buy. Learn more about click fraud and fake offers. Unfortunately, fraud and scams can happen in CPA marketing too. Most scam offers for simple tasks pay as little as $1. When looking for CPA offers, you should stay away from things like online flash games and get-rich-quick offers. In terms of click fraud, bots that make invalid clicks can hurt your CPA. This can cause you to spend more on your campaigns while getting less for your money, ROAS. You might want to use click fraud prevention software to stop invalid clicks. CPA marketing may seem scary at first, but that doesn't always have to be the case. Once you understand CPA marketing and how it works, you can join CPA networks and start promoting the CPA offers you want to use. Staying up to date is the key to a successful CPA marketing campaign. Trends are always changing, and there will always be other people in your field. Online, you can find a lot of information and tools that can help you learn more about CPA marketing and tools to help you as well. For more cool cash cow secrets, click the first link in the description below or click the video on the screen.